Hey everybody, my name is Lucas with Summit Flora, and today we're going to be making a holiday wreath. That is what we're going to show you today. Okay, so here is the first step. We're going to be tying a double knot. Now, just gotta make sure that there is enough string so that we do a knot, just like you're tying your shoelaces, but this is different. It's not just one knot or a bow, it's double knots. Because we're making a wreath and we're not tying shoelaces, of course. Now look at that. This is a double knot. Alright, so the next step is you are going to make the moss look like a sausage, but just giving it a nice massage, you know? Like this, you know? Gotta make it like perfectly like the shape of a sausage. And then after you're done that, you put the moss into the wreath frame like this, and that will be the piece of the wreath that we're making. Look at that. You want to place the moss around the wreath frame, and this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so the next step is grab the string. You want to go around the wreath frame, and then you want to pull just like that. Go around and pull. Repeat this step until you reach the end. So here's the next step. You want to divide all of the different greenery that you have in front of you. You take one type of greenery and you place it on top of your wreath. Okay, now once you place your type of greenery onto the wreath, you tie it on. Repeat this step by using a different type of greenery. Okay, look at that. So here I am finishing up with the wreath that I'm doing. Just gotta put the string right around and pull. So we're gonna finish off by tying up another knot, which I clearly remember. It's not a double knot this time. It's just like a regular knot. So the next step is to put your cone right into your design that you've made. And you want to make sure it's not moving. You want to make sure it's staying still at the spot that you're putting it. So this is what I've done, and you can do whatever you want with your design. It's totally fine with me. I don't mind. Alright, so the next step is, like you can see right now, is me holding the ribbon, both of my two hands, and you're gonna fold it in two, like this. So now take the ribbon in your hand and thread the two tails inside between the ribbon, and now pull like this. Girth hitch. And voila! A beautiful Christmas wreath. Isn't it nice? You're welcome. For more information, visit summit-school.com. See y'all next time.